Last time we learned what Cursor AI is. Now let's set it up together. First, you need to navigate to the URL www.cursor.com, and then so once the download is done, you will see the setup. Just double click and run it. So this is what it looks like. This is a page you get, and so you click on continue, right? And I want to use my VS Code extensions, so it's going to like check out your VS Code setup, import those extension, and what you already have in VS Code. We're gonna be helping Cursor out. So you click on continue, or to sign up. Now really depends on where you are. You might not be able to connect without a VPN. If this is the case, you could download a VPN. For me, I just use Proton VPN, right? There's a free version. So once you're done signing up, they will let you download for Windows, and I'm using Windows 11, so I will just select this and it starts to download. Once the download is done, you could double click to install. Yes. Click on OK. Pops up. You click on next, just follow, although I usually will not install any of this. No, this, because it's the one is a use of. So you skip the install and you just connect quickly. So once it's set up, you could try to refresh the sign up screen for Cursor. So you click on sign up, it comes here, and this time it's going to load, right? So it's going to ask you to sign up. I will just be using so in Cursor side, I come here, I copied the temporary mail, and I'm going to be using that to sign up for Cursor. I verify that I'm human. It's asking for a password, and we're going to put in that temporary mail we copied. We're going to refresh to get the code. Yep, this is it. Okay, so this is the code. I need to verify that you're human. So everything is set up, right? And this is how you set up Cursor AI. I will just let's just test that it's working. Hello. You see, it says I am Cloud, your personal assistant, and whatnot. And that's it. That's how to set up Cursor AI. You can see we have the setup like this, and you can always use the chat and composer. And you can see we are logged into this profile, and you can see your quota. You can click on manage to manage your profile, right? You can see you have no limit for ChatGPT or Cursor Small. You can see the limit for your premium usage. You can see your trial, and from here, and if you want to upgrade to Pro, you can click on this to upgrade to Pro. I do recommend upgrading to Pro, the Pro version, because at some point this is not enough. This doesn't go anywhere. Okay, you're ready to use Cursor AI. It's as simple as that. And in the next video, I'll be showing how to build a website from a sketch, like a handwritten sketch, to deployment on the next series. So do remember to turn on your post notifications to and watch out for that video. Thank you. Bye.